Have you ever dreamed of driving a car that not only screams power, but also defies the logic of durability? Welcome to the world of the most expensive and powerful engines ever created. Today, we're going to dive into the 20 machines that represent the true definition of automotive performance. Get ready to discover how these engineering monsters not only take your breath away on the track, but also guarantee a useful life that many drivers can only dream of. Are you ready to accelerate on this pure adrenaline trip? Let's go. We start our list at number 20, Rolls-Royce V12. Rolls-Royce's V12 engine is a symbol of luxury and power, used in iconic vehicles that redefine what it means to drive in style. With an impressive 6.75 liters displacement, its 12-cylinder configuration makes every acceleration a smooth and powerful experience. A true engineering masterpiece. These engines are so robust that they often exceed 200,000 miles without needing significant repairs, defying the logic of longevity in the automotive industry. Renowned for its quiet operation, Rolls-Royce's V12 is the perfect choice for luxury custom cars, proving that true performance doesn't have to make noise. At number 19, Ferrari F140. Known as the engine of the Ferrari Enzo, the F140 is a true masterpiece, combining incredible power and technological innovation. Get ready to understand why many consider it one of the best engines in Ferrari history. This 6.0 LV12 monster impresses with 650 horsepower and a variable valve timing system. It's like having a rhino under your hood, ready to leave the track at terrifying speed. Incredible but true. Many F140 engines are still in action after 100,000 miles. Even when used heavily on the track, that's durability engine lovers will admire. It was a pioneer in incorporating direct injection, increasing efficiency to levels never seen before. The F140 helped Ferrari redefine what performance means in a super. At number 18, Mercedes-Benz M156. The Mercedes-Benz M156, a powerful V8 engine, is famous for powering AMG models, offering breathtaking performance. If you are a true enthusiast, you know that this engine is synonymous with pure adrenaline on the road. With an impressive 6.2 liters displacement, the M156 generates up to 507 horsepower. This means rapid acceleration and instant throttle response, perfect for those looking for excitement in every corner. Designed to last, these engines often reach 150,000 miles without significant problems. Its reliability in every gear sequence, allowing you to drive much longer. The M156 has a high-performance lubrication system that minimizes wear. This not only increases the durability of the engine, but also ensures consistent and incredible performance over the years. At number 17, Lamborghini V10. The Lamborghini V10 is more than an engine. It is a symphony of power and Italian design. Used in several models, it represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, combining elegance and performance at every turn. With 5.2L and an impressive 610 horsepower, this engine is the beating heart of many Lamborghinis. Your sound? Unmistakable. A roar that makes engine lovers take their breath away when they accelerate. This V10 is not only powerful, but also durable, with many engines surpassing 100,000 miles. This robustness is a testament to the quality engineering that Lamborghini has always delivered. Its 90-degree angled design provides a lower center of gravity, improving high-speed handling. It is this combination of technology and aesthetics that makes the V10 a true masterpiece on wheels. At number 16, Bugatti W16. Bugatti's stunning W16 engine was designed specifically for iconic supercars like the Veyron and Chiron. Setting new standards of performance on the track and street, it changed the way we look at speed. With a huge 8.0L displacement, this bi-turbo engine is capable of generating up to 1,500 horsepower. This power is enough to leave any car applauding when accelerating. Wouldn't you like to feel that adrenaline behind the wheel? W16 engines are true champions. In rigorous testing, they have shown extraordinary resilience, operating efficiently even under extreme pressure. Yes, they can take the heat and still ask for more. It is rare to find engines with a W16 configuration, compact and at the same time extremely powerful. It is a true masterpiece of engineering, which leaves many engine lovers dreaming of accelerating their power. At number 15, Toyota TJZ GTE. The Toyota TJZ GTE is a true icon among turbo engines. Used in the legendary Supra, it wins the hearts of speed lovers and tuners. Get ready to hear the legend of this engine that became a reference in automobile mechanics. With a generous 3.0L displacement, the 2JZ GTE delivers 276 horsepower of pure adrenaline, your secret. The turnability capacity that allows you to transform it from a simple engine to a power monster in seconds. You'll want one of these in your garage. Did you know that many 2JZ GTEs still run after 500,000 miles? That's right, with the right modifications, these engines become truly durable machines. An impressive feat that solidifies the 2JZ GTE's reputation among enthusiasts. This engine has become a legend, not only for its power, but also for its performance in competitions. The aftermarket is immense, making the 2JZ GTE one of the most sought-after engines among those who love speed and racing. Time to speed up. At number 14, Nissan RB26D ETT. The Nissan RB26D ETT is a legendary engine associated with the iconic Skyline GTR. With a robust design, it is famous for its resistance and extraordinary performance. This engine is considered a true masterpiece of automotive engineering. With 2.6L and an inline-6 arrangement, the RB26D ETT is capable of generating up to 280 horsepower. Its impressive rising power makes this engine a different choice among performance enthusiasts, guaranteeing adrenaline with every acceleration. RB26 engines are true endurance machines, with the ability to last hundreds of thousands of miles, even under extreme use. They are the gladiators of the track, always ready for the challenge. Recognized as one of Nissan's most reliable engines, the RB26 is often chosen for high-performance modifications. It is a symbol of unlimited potential, elevating any car to a new level of speed. At number 13, Honda K20. The Honda K20 is a true icon, widely used in Honda models, combining efficiency and power. It stands out not only on tracks, but also on streets, an engine that has won the hearts of enthusiasts. With 2.0L of displacement, the K20 is capable of producing up to 240 horsepower. Its smoothness and quick response make every acceleration an exhilarating experience, making it clear why this engine is so special. This engine is a tough machine. Many K20s have over 300,000 miles on well-maintained cars. Resilience and performance come together in a single engine, proving that durability and speed can coexist. Tuners love the K20, and for good reason. Its versatility and modification options attract enthusiasts looking for customization. Get ready to unleash the full potential of this incredible engine. At number 12, Porsche 9A1. Porsche's 9A1 engine is a flat six that turns every start into a sporting experience, found in legendary models. Feel the adrenaline of an engine that makes you feel like a real pilot on any road. With a displacement of 3.8L, this engine delivers an impressive 385 horsepower. Its perfect balance and handling impress even the most demanding, taking speeds to new heights without losing control. Did you know that 9A1 engines are so durable that many exceed 200,000 miles? They are true examples of reliability, proving that performance and resistance can go hand in hand. Equipped with an advanced cooling system, the 9A1 shines in high temperatures. This means that even in the most insane races, your performance remains sharp, allowing you to give it your all without fear. At number 11, Chevrolet LS7. Famous for being in the Corvette Z06, the LS7 is a masterpiece of American engineering, created with passion and precision. It's not just an engine, it's an icon that represents what it means to be a car enthusiast. With a 7.0 V8 engine that generates an impressive 505 horsepower, the LS7 is synonymous with power and performance. It doesn't just accelerate, it explodes onto the track, leaving everything behind with a mighty roar. LS engines demonstrate remarkable endurance, often exceeding 150,000 miles. They are like an old friend, always ready for another adventure and enduring the challenges along the way. Considered one of the most adaptable engines for swap projects, the LS7 stands out in automotive culture. It is the choice of performance lovers who want to turn their dreams into reality. At number 10, Acura NES XC30. The engine of the iconic Acura NSX, the C30A, is a V6 that has quickly become a symbol of advanced technology in sports cars. It is not just an engine, It is an engineering masterpiece that defined a generation. With 3.0 liters and an impressive 270 horsepower, the C308 is the perfect combination of efficiency and reliability. Its performance makes it an engine that not only accelerates, but also delivers excitement in every corner. NSX models are known for their exceptional durability, often reaching 200,000 trouble-free miles. This means you can enjoy its bombastic performance for much longer than most cars. The C308 was a pioneer, being one of the first engines to use an aluminum block. This significantly reduced weight and increased vigor, making every acceleration an exhilarating and light-hearted experience. At number 9, BMW S38. Used in the iconic BMW M5, the S38 engine carries a history of speed and prestige. A true testament to German engineering, this engine has become a symbol for performance lovers. With a powerful 3.6L inline-six engine, the S38 delivers an impressive 256 horsepower. Known for its ability to accelerate and not look back, it stands out on tracks and roads. Incredibly durable, many owners vouch for the S38 still rolling strong after 200,000 miles. Regular maintenance is key, but the endurance of this engine is impressive. The S38's rugged construction makes it a favorite among tuning enthusiasts. This ensures not only power, but also a solid platform for exciting modifications. At number 8, Jaguar AJ-V8. The Jaguar AJ-V8, a V8 engine immortalized in the brand's luxury models, is synonymous with refined performance and smooth driving. It's like listening to a symphony while accelerating. With 4.2 liters of pure power, this engine delivers between 300 and 400 horsepower, depending on the model. This means you're locked into a driving experience so refined, it feels like you're in a Formula One car. Impressively durable, AJ-V8 engines can easily exceed 150,000 miles without headaches. These engines are almost indestructible, keeping your four-wheeled friend always ready for the road. Its V-shaped configuration is not just stylish, it allows for incredibly smooth, near-silent operation, making you feel like you're floating with every acceleration. At number 7, Ford Coyote V8. The Ford Coyote V8 is a true road monster. Used in iconic Ford models such as the Mustang, this engine is known for its impressive power and reliability, making enthusiasts' hearts race. With an impressive 5.0 liters, this engine delivers between 400 and 450 horsepower. Its consistent power makes performance an exhilarating experience, delivering a roar that makes speed lovers thrill. Durability is the name of the game. Many Coyote engines can easily withstand more than 100,000 miles in normal use. This means that, for car lovers, this engine is like a good wine, it only gets better with time. And best of all, Coyote is highly customizable. Performance fans love modifying this engine, making it a true masterpiece on the track and street. Each car takes on a new life, depending on the creativity of its owner. At number 6, Aston Martin V12. Aston Martin's V12 engine is a true symbol of luxury and performance, reflecting the brand's excellence in iconic models such as the DB11 and Vantage, where each rotation is a symphony of power and elegance. With a robust 5.9L displacement, this engine delivers up to an incredible 600 horsepower. It is a machine that combines smoothness with an explosion of power, perfect for those looking for adrenaline behind the wheel. Known for their remarkable durability, many V12 engines have passed the 100,000 mile mark, proving that beauty and strength can coexist and last, even in an unforgiving world. By integrating a sophisticated direct injection system, the V12 Aston Martin not only pulses but also breathes better, increasing efficiency and maximizing every drop of fuel in search of superior performance. At number 5, Maserati V8. Famous for its unmistakable sound, Maserati's V8 engine is a true classic among car lovers. Its powerful snoring is music to the ears, making hearts race from the first beat. With 4.7 liters and up to 450 horsepower, this engine stands out for combining luxury and power. When you turn the key, you're not just starting a car, you're starting a machine of pure adrenaline and impressive performance. Admirably, many units of this engine exceed 100,000 miles with proper maintenance. This proves that when cared for, these engines are like fine wind, they only improve with time. Its design is a masterpiece, balancing power and efficiency. Unlike many, he does not sacrifice consumption, a true alliance between indomitable strength and smart fuel economy. At number 4, Koenigsegg V8. The Koenigsegg V8 is a masterpiece used in supercars like the Agera. With cutting-edge engineering, it is known for its extraordinary production capacity. Get ready to feel the speed pulsing through your veins. This engine has a displacement of 5.0 L, capable of generating an impressive 1,341 horsepower. Its raw power concentrated under the hood, making many ordinary cars seem slow by comparison. Are you ready to accelerate? Koenigsegg engines not only offer incredible performance, but also stand out for their reliability, often exceeding expectations for durability. They are built to stand the test of time and speed. Using high-tech materials, Koenigsegg minimizes weight while maximizing performance. This means every part is designed to take performance to a new level, resulting in incredible driving experiences. Now, we come to our top 3 on our list. Pagani V12. Pagani's V12 engine is a true masterpiece, combining art and performance on a level few can achieve. Every detail is meticulously crafted, ensuring that every turn on the track is an extraordinary experience. With an impressive 6.0 L, this V12 engine can generate up to 800 horsepower. Get ready to feel the adrenaline when you step on the accelerator and experience a speed that few can match. Pagani engines are legendary for their durability. With robust design and cutting-edge engineering, it's not uncommon for them to exceed 200,000 miles, reflecting a quality that few engines can match. The exclusivity and attention to detail make this engine one of the most expensive in the world. Every component and every test is done to ensure you don't just drive, but experience an unparalleled automotive experience. At number 2, Nissan VR38D ETT. The Nissan VR38D ETT, the turbocharged engine from the legendary GTR, is a true monster on the track, known for breaking records and winning hearts. Can you guess how fast he can reach? This 3.8 LV6 engine is pure power, delivering an impressive 600 horsepower with a response that makes you feel the adrenaline when you press the accelerator. It's the perfect combination of engineering and emotion. Incredibly, many VR38D ETTs have remarkable endurance, withstanding long runs with some passing the 250,000-mile mark. Have you ever imagined driving for so long with a ferocious engine like this? Equipped with an electronic valve control system, the VR38D ETT optimizes performance in all conditions. An example of technology that transforms every ride into an unforgettable experience. And now, first on our list, Lamborghini VER. The Lamborghini CIN V12 stands out as the brand's most expensive engine, combining electrification and intense performance. It's the future of supercars, where power and innovation go hand in hand. This powerful 6.5 liters V12 generates an impressive 819 horsepower, a true milestone in automotive engineering, which demonstrates how hybridization can take performance to new levels. Designed to provide excellence in performance, it has a remarkable life expectancy, with durability expected to exceed 100,000 miles without losing driving excitement. As the first Lamborghini supercar to incorporate a mild hybrid system with supercapacitors that redefines what we can expect from a supersports engine, combining technology and adrenaline. Hey, accelerators and engine lovers! Which of these engines is your favorite? Or do you know of any other engines that should be on this list? Leave your opinion in the comments, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more incredible content like this. And don't forget to activate the bell so you don't miss any news.